Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the error code 524. You do not have permission to join the experience. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Actually, this error occurred due to you tried to join a private server without being invited, or game is set to be private by the developer, or server full, or account restriction, or temporary Roblox server issue. Here we are. What we are going to do is we are going to fix that issue. First of all, you need to check whether it's a private server or not. If you are joining a friend's VIP server, or make sure they add you to the allow list, and only the server owner can grant the permission, so it's very important. And then use the join game, and also check whether the game privacy, if the whole game is set to private, you will need to wait until the developer reopen it. And also make sure if you're joining in the 27th or 25th member out of 28, it sometimes it may happen, so please join as less as possible. And it's this is from the owner side, and from our side we can do like we can verify our age. If you are not, please do that one. If you don't know how to verify, please check out my video. And once this done, you need to enter into the privacy and content restriction. On that, you need to enter into visibility and private server. From the private server, you need to make it as everyone. So sometimes this may happen, so if you only allowed your connection or only one, it will happen. So, and also as like visibility, you need to make it as like everyone, or connection followers, or connection people I follow. It's up to you. Yeah, once this done, please check out the uh, game whether the issue is happening again or not. I hope it will not happen anymore. And thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.